Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 17 phrases and clauses. Turn page number 159, 160. Fill in the blanks by making phrases with the words given in the box below. The number of blanks in each sentence indicates the number of words in each phrase. So here microbes are just part of the food chain. You have to add the adjective phrase from the box. Okay, here you can write microbes are the most important key part of the food chain. Okay, microbes are the most important key part. So here a cannot be used because the microbes are written in plural form. So you can add the extra word most. Okay, microbes are the most important key part of the food chain. Okay, a cannot be used because of the plural form of microbes. You can write here the. Okay, the most important. Then next, your outfit doesn't look quite appropriate. Next, the natural beauty of the Himalayas has turned it into an important tourist destination. This is a prepositional phrase. Then next, the characters in Alice in Wonderland speaks. So here quite hilariously. Okay, quite hilariously. This is adverb phrase. Tea plantation has a role in the Sri Lankan economy. That is, you can write very important. Okay, very important. Then next, the plot was very highly constructed. Okay, very highly constructed. The plot was very highly constructed. Then next, long battery life is very important for the smartphone. Okay, very important. 7 number, long battery life is very important for the smartphones. Egypt is an dash for historians. You have to write a noun phrase. Okay, Egypt is an important tourist destination for historians. The Great Gatsby is a dash acclaimed novel. You have to write an adjective phrase. Okay, a highly grateful. Okay, a highly grateful acclaimed novel. Kashmir is a tourist destination. A tourist destination. Okay. Then next, identify whether the following are phrases or clauses. Then you have to write a C for clauses and P for phrases. Those red roses. This is phrase. Then citizens of this country. This is also phrase. We are proud of our traditions and culture. Clause. Take your seats. This is also clause. A tall pile of books behind the basket. This is also phrase. The basket belongs to me. This is clause. Annie spoke very well. This is also clause. It might rain tonight. This is also clause. Icing on the cake. This is phrase. The last train of the day. This is also phrase. Rita catches the last train home every day. This is clause. The pink party dress. This is phrase. Stuck in a traffic jam. This is phrase. Our vacation begins this weekend. This is clause. Final exams will soon take place. This is also clause. Then next, page number 163. You have to identify the noun clauses from the following sentences. You have to write the role played by the noun clauses in each sentence. So here one must learn from what one experiences in life. So here what one experiences in life, this is object of the preposition from. Then next, I know that he will come tomorrow. That he will come tomorrow, this is the object of the verb know. Next, what is said cannot be taken back. So here what is said, this is noun clause, and here it is function is subject of the verb cannot be taken back. Then next, do you know who was looking for me? So here who was looking for me? This is noun clause and it is here used as object of the verb know. How the magician came out of the locked box is a mystery. So here, how the magician came out of the locked box. This is noun clause, and here it is used as here subject of the verb is. Then next, I have no idea about why you are so upset today. Why you are so upset today. This is noun clause, and here it is used as the object of the preposition about. What do you think is the cause? What do you think? Here this is a noun clause, and here the function is the subject of the verb is. Here next, an apple doesn't fall far from the tree. This is not a noun clause. This is an independent clause. Okay. Then next, underline the adjective clauses in the following sentence, and also you have to circle the nouns that they describe. This is the school that nurtured me. Okay, that nurtured me. This is adjective clause. Okay, so here noun is school. Okay. Then next, the newspaper that we read every day has got a new look. That we read every day. This is adjective clause, and here the noun is newspaper. I met our new neighbor who has just moved in. Okay, who has just moved in. So here this is adjective clause, and here the noun that describe here. This is neighbor. Then next, the children who were lost in the forest were escorted home by the police. Okay, who were lost in the forest. This is adjective clause, and here the noun children. Then next, the school bus that was returning after dropping us home met with an accident. Okay, it was returning after dropping us home. This is adjective clause, and here the noun is school bus. Okay, antecedent. Giraffe, which is the tallest animal in the world, is found in Africa. Who is the tallest animal in the world? Okay. This is adjective clause, and here the antecedent is noun. This is giraffe. The next, I showed my friends the photographs that I took last week. Okay, that I took last week. This is adjective clause, and here the noun or modifier, that is photographs. The next, Minnie has not received the mail that you sent yesterday. That you sent yesterday. This is adjective clause, and the mail. Okay, here the mail is the noun. The next, the lorry which was carrying the relief supplies has been reported lost this morning. Which was carrying the relief supplies. So this is adjective clause, and their noun lorry. Okay. The next, Jhumpa Lahiri, who received the Pulitzer Prize for her devoted work, has published another novel this year. There, who received the Pulitzer Prize for her devoted work. This is adjective clause, and noun describe here Jhumpa Lahiri. Okay. Then next, identify the main and the adverbial clauses in the following sentence. Wangli walks a mile every morning before he goes to school. So here, before he goes to school, this is adverb clause, and main clause is Wangli walks a mile every morning. Then next, please take some rest if you feel tired. So here, if you feel tired, this is adverbial clause, and main clause is please take some rest. Ashish will call you when he reaches home. So here, Ashish will call you. This is main clause. When he reaches home, this is adverbial clause. Then next, Samim waits at the bus stop for his sister every day after school is over. So here, after school is over, this is adverbial clause. Here main clause is Samim waits at the bus stop for his sister every day. Then next, he came back home before the movie ended. Okay. Before the movie ended, this is adverbial clause. Main clause is he came back home. Then next, Mita can borrow our umbrella if she wants to. Okay. There, if she wants to, this is adverbial clause, and main clause is Mita can borrow our umbrella. Then next, you must stay with us when you visit our town. So here, when you visit our town, this is adverbial clause, and main clause is you must stay with us. Then next, you will miss the bus unless you walk fast. So here, unless you walk fast, this is adverbial clause, and main clause is you will miss the bus. Next, we need to finish our work before we eat. Here, before we eat, this is adverbial clause, and we need to finish our work, this is main clause. Then next, let me know if you need anything. If you need anything, let me know. If you need anything, this is adverbial clause, and main clause is let me know. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.